If a government agent walked into your VPN's data center tomorrow with a court order, grabbed a server, and walked out the door, what could they actually pull off that hard drive? For most VPNs, even ones with strong no logs policies, the honest answer is maybe more than you'd want. That single physical risk has been the weak point in VPN privacy for years. And IPVanish just rolled out a way to fix that in a way that lets you see exactly what servers are protected in real time right inside the app. So in this video, I'm going to dive into what RAM-only servers actually are, why they matter way more than most people realize, and how to flip the new filter on in under 30 seconds. What's up, you guys? My name is Ashley, and on this channel, we give you straight answers about the tools that actually keep you private online. In April 2026, IPVanish launched a dedicated RAM-only server filter across every single one of its apps: iOS, Android, macOS, Windows, all of it. The filter lets you browse the server network and connect specifically to locations that have already been upgraded to diskless hardware. IPVanish is on track to have a fully RAM-only global network by 2027. And this new filter gives you live visibility into which locations are already there. If you're an IPVanish user and you haven't seen this update yet, this is one of the most meaningful privacy upgrades the service has made in years. Let's go ahead and start off with the basics because I really want you to understand what's happening. A traditional VPN server stores data on hard drive. That's a physical disk, the same kind of storage in most computers, and it holds onto information even when the server is powered off. That creates a theoretical privacy risk. If a server gets physically seized by authorities, confiscated through illegal action, or accessed by an attacker who can get their hands on the hardware, fragments of the data could potentially be recovered from that drive. Even when a VPN has a solid no logs policy, the simple fact that a physical drive exists means some residual data might exist on it somewhere. Now, RAM-only servers eliminate that risk completely. RAM stands for random access memory. It stores data in temporary memory that needs constant power to stay alive. The second a RAM-only server gets powered off or rebooted, everything in that memory is instantly and completely wiped. So there's no drive to seize, nothing to forensically examine. When the server starts back up, it boots from a secure read-only image with no record of anything that happened before. IPVanish describes this as eliminating even the theoretical risk of data persistence, and that's the exact way to frame it. Their no logs policy already means they're not storing your activity on purpose. The RAM-only upgrade means that even if something were stored accidentally or if the hardware itself were compromised, the technical architecture stops any data from surviving a server reboot. Policy gets backed up by physics. Privacy gets all the attention when RAM-only servers come up, but there's a real performance benefit too that almost nobody mentions. RAM has no moving parts. Traditional hard drives have mechanical components inside them, spinning platters, read and write heads moving back and forth. All of that introduces latency, and over time those parts wear out and fail. RAM-only servers process requests faster, they're more reliable, and they're easier for the VPN provider to maintain and update because there's no physical drives to swap or repair. IPVanish has noted that the upgraded servers deliver faster processing, improved reliability, and smoother connections for streaming, gaming, and everyday browsing. So if you've been deciding between privacy and speed for years, this is one of those rare moments where you actually get both at the same time. Okay, now here's how to actually use the new RAM-only filter. It really is so quick. So open your IPVanish app on whatever platform you use, whether that's iOS, Android, macOS, Windows, all of them have it. Go to the screen where you would normally pick a server location. Look at the top of the server list for the filter or sort options. You'll see a RAM-only toggle or filter option. All you have to do is turn it on. The server list will now only show you locations that have been upgraded to the RAM-only hardware. The cities that appear under the filter are the ones where IPVanish has already completed the transition. As IPVanish continues to roll out RAM-only coverage across North America, Europe, South America, and the Asian Pacific region throughout 2026, new locations will show up on that filter automatically. You won't need to update the app or do anything on your end. The visibility is just completely built in. If your favorite server location isn't showing up under the RAM-only filter yet, you've got two options. Either connect to a nearby location that has been upgraded or stick with the usual location, knowing that IPVanish's standard servers are still secure and the no logs policy applies the same way across the entire network. The transition is an upgrade in process, not a line in the sand between safe and not safe. Now we're going to talk about how this fits into IPVanish's bigger picture. So the RAM-only rollout is one piece of a broader infrastructure push IPVanish has been running through 2025 and 2026. Back in December 2024, IPVanish launched Double Hop VPN, which routes your traffic through two separate servers for an extra layer of encryption. In March 2026, they launched Threat Protection Pro, which expands the platform beyond just being a VPN into a wider digital security security suite. And the network itself has grown to cover 108 countries. The RAM-only filter that came out in April 2026 is the most direct privacy upgrade in the sequence. It addresses the physical hardware risk that no policy can fix on its own, and it gives you real visibility and control while the transition continues across the rest of the network. Let's talk about the pros and cons so you can really see the full picture. So the upsides here are very straightforward. The RAM-only upgrade genuinely strengthens the privacy setup beyond what a policy commitment alone can deliver. The in-app filter gives you actual control and visibility instead of forcing you to trust that something is happening behind the scenes. The performance improvement is also a real secondary win. And IPVanish's full transition to a RAM-only network by 2027 means this protection is just going to keep expanding without you having to do anything. The honest current limitation is that not every location has finished the transition yet. If you have specific geographic needs and those locations are under the RAM-only filter, you'll be connecting to traditional servers for now. Those servers are still secure, still subject to the same no logs policy, and the RAM-only upgrade is an extra layer on top, not a replacement. So you're not exposed if you connect somewhere that hasn't been upgraded yet. You just don't get the bonus protection. I just wanted to show you the different plans and pricing options. So if you use our exclusive link down below, you can actually save 83%. I'm just going to go ahead and click subscribe. So they've got a couple of different options here. You can pay for 1 month, 12 months, or 24 months, but 24 months is going to get you the best price possible and save you 83%. 1 month is $12.99 per month. 12 months is $3.33 per month billed annually. And then 24 months is just $2.19 per month. Again, billed at once for the 24 months. Okay, they also have a 30-day money-back guaranteed for the 12 and 24 months, so you can try and make sure it fits in with the kind of protection that you actually need. If you're already an IPVanish user, then absolutely you should be opening the app, turning on the RAM-only filter, and connect through upgraded location whenever your needs allow it. Setup takes 30 seconds, and it's a real privacy upgrade for free if you already have IPVanish, of course. If you're evaluating IPVanish as a new subscriber, the RAM-only rollout combined with the double hop feature, the expanded 108 country network, and the current 83% off price makes it one of the stronger options for anyone who truly prioritizes privacy. If you want to check out IPVanish, that link is down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. The shift to RAM-only servers is one of the most meaningful infrastructure upgrades a VPN can make. It's not a marketing checkbox. It's a real technical architecture change that truly strengthens the privacy guarantee beyond what a no-logs policy can do on its own. And the fact that IPVanish put the control directly in your hands with the live in the app filter is exactly how this should be done. Update your IPVanish app, turn on the filter, connect through upgraded locations whenever you can. That is the full setup, and that's all you have to do. This channel is dedicated to helping you stay safe online with clear and honest explanations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.